Alright guys, today we will be talking about the Vivitar Aero. Most importantly, today we will be taking out all the extras, or to put it simple, we are going to dismember this drone, this Vivitar Aero drone, take out all the prop guards and also the landing gear and also the camera, and then we're gonna do some tests outside. So let's get to it. Let's start with the propeller. Okay, I'm gonna use the little screwdriver that came in the box. I didn't throw mine away, and I'm gonna attach it to my drill. And don't laugh at me, guys, I am this lazy sometimes though. Yeah, it works perfectly. And if you're using a drill, don't put it to the highest torque. Just make sure it is on what I like to call light duty, and it takes off the screw real fast, nice and easy. Let me see here, got it. Okay, so it's that simple when you use a drill. Take that out. And one thing to remember, guys, when you take off your prop guard, remember to put back the screw in there, because you can easily lose it if you keep it outside. And when you screw back your screw in there, don't tighten it up, just let it go maybe 3/4 of the way. That's fine, it's not gonna fall off. Or if you want to screw it in all the way, don't tighten it up, because you might end up destroying the drone. Okay, we got one out. Alright guys, I had to speed up the video there. I took all 4 out and it's looking funny already. I don't think I've ever taken them out since I assembled this drone, so this is the first time. It looks very funny to me. Let us take out the landing gears right now. Again, I'm using my drill. Yeah, tighten it up a little bit. Push down, drill up. Drill up. And one thing you will notice that I didn't drill it out all the way. I left the screws in there. That way, if I have to put it back, it will be easy, and you can just wrap it up like that. So it's easy for you to put back on there. I have all the screws in there. I'll just wrap everything up. Just wrap it up, wrap with a piece of tape, and then store it away. And it is very important that you do that, because it might become a hazard to little kids if you have some. Let us take the camera out, and here we go, guys. It looks a little bit funny and weird, but also light. And let us do a quick check. Lights on and lights off. Okay guys, I'll see you all outside. Let me put this together and let's go test all of this. Let's go test this drone out and figure out how it performs. My focus is that it's gonna perform real good, and also since it's light, it's gonna save a lot of energy. Alright guys, here we are outside. Let me do a quick check as always and turn it on. Perfect. Remote control on. Good. And also link them both together. Yep, but the light is blue as you can see, so it means I need to move a little bit. So let me change location. Okay, hey, I hardly even moved one step and it turned green. Oh, it's blue again. Huh. Let me put it down and see. Oh, it's green now, so it's ready for takeoff. Alright guys, let me put my camera on my head. Yeah. Okay. I hope I got a perfect angle because I didn't check, but yeah. Wow, we're airborne, guys. Okay. For some reason, I don't know whether it's because the prop and the landing gear have been removed. It feels a little bit different. Maybe it's just a visual thing. I'm used to seeing it with the prop and landing gears, but it's very stable. Quick move around. Yep. Very, very stable. I think I like it this way. It looks good now that it's flying. Yeah, I think I prefer it without the landing gear and the prop guard. Let's see if we can make some few moves with it. Yep. Up. I don't want to go too high. Don't want to lose signal or anything. By the way, I can't go further than 400 feet, so yep. Little stunt there for you guys. Does it perfectly. Wow. That's why I love this drone. Little one again. Yep. Flies great. It's a little windy now, but still it's pretty steady. Yep. Wow, it looks good. It reacts really, really good too. Yeah, I think because it's lighter and has less air resistance, it reacts really, really well to the remote control or to the command I give through the remote control. Yeah, there it is. Yeah. One thing is, when it's like this, you can't use your app to fly it because the camera is out. The camera needs to be connected for you to be able to use your app. So basically, if you want to make a video with it, you need your camera attached, and most preferable with the landing gear on. Yeah, that's real good. Uh-oh. Strange. Took off a little bit there, but let me bring it back. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah, it's stuck to the tree. I don't know if you all can see it up there. Yeah, right there. It's still on, but the branches look too strong, so I think I'll go get a stick. Let me see if I can go get a stick. Okay guys, I got the stick now, and I'm just gonna push it fall down. I'm not gonna try to climb up this tree. Yeah. You guys see this dog running? It always comes into my backyard. It's my neighbors. Sometimes they let it loose. It always comes in, and well, let's go back to the drone. Enough about the dog. Oops, cut it right. Okay, let's see if it will fly normally, but I guess it should. This is not the first time it's stuck to a tree, so it should fly normally. Let's test it out. Let's try a little stunt, and I also want to try the return to home mode function and see how it will perform. And I was gonna try the orbital, but I don't think it will work without the camera attached, so I'll just do the return to home, and maybe on another video or another time I'll try the orbital, because it's been flying for a while and I guess it's running, the battery is running low, sorry. So just want to try and see. Let's move it around a little bit, make it, let's see if it's gonna lose orientation. Okay, return to home. Let's see what it does. Oh yeah, it's flying back to its to where it took off. Yep, positioning itself. That's great. I'm not doing anything. Oh yeah, it landed quite close. That's far better than I expected. And I tried for a second time, and this time around it landed a little bit far, so maybe 1 or 2 feet farther than it did the last time, but it's pretty better than I expected. All right guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment below. Suggestion if you want me to do any video, please let me know. I'll be glad to do it for you guys. Thank you.